Imagine yourself in this 2013 Ford Taurus. If you're looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. With low miles, this automobile will take you far and get you where you want to go. With an efficient 4-cylinder engine, the powertrain includes front-wheel drive, connected to a smooth shifting 6-speed automatic transmission. GPS navigation will guide you to your destination. Premium wheels give a more luxurious look. The anti-lock braking system will help deliver you safely to your destination. Heated seats comfort you on cold winter days. Tailor the temperature to your preference and your passengers. Let the outside in with a power sunroof. Call today to schedule a test drive.